everyone, I am Divya ma'am. Today I am math subject. So take out your notebook and let's start. Okay, this is your book. Grow with numbers. All of you have book. Okay, very good. So open your notebook and take out the page number 3. Page number 3. So look at the picture of. The question is observe the pictures and learn big and small. Okay, finger on your heading. Observe the pictures and learn big and small. Learn big and small means you compare the things. Which one is big one and which one is small one. This is the condition, big and small. In your previous lecture, you know about which one is big and which one is small? Yes? Okay, tell me. This box is big one or small one compared to this box? Okay, so this one is big box and this one is small. Okay, so now we take exercise of your notebook and take example of this. Okay. Okay, so take out page number 3. Take out page number 3. Okay, first picture of lion. First picture of lion. So make here picture of lion. Big one. Okay, now the picture of red. Okay, so you find out which one is big and which one is small. Big one, small one. So this exercise is tick the big one and cross the small one. Tick the big one and cross the small one. Okay, this is your first example. Now second example on your notebook is strawberry and mango. Okay, so which one is big and which one is small? Here small picture and big picture. Okay, so here cross the small one and take the big one. The condition is take the big one and cross the small one. So here one small and one big. So cross the small one and take the big one according to your notebook. Here small, big, big, small. Now third example. Third example is ball. This is also ball. So you find out which one is big and which one is small one. This ball is small one. No, this is big one. So the big one thing is take the big one and cross the small one. Okay. Big, small, big, small. Okay, so this exercise is complete. Now take out your next page. Page number 4. Page number 4 is take out your finger on the heading. Okay, the question is compare the pictures and color the big one. The question is compare the picture and color the big one. Color the big one means you color the big picture. Color the big picture and cross the small one. Okay. The first example is flower is also flower. Okay. So the condition is color the big picture. Question is color the big picture. So which one is big? This one or this one? Tell me. This one? Yes. So color the flower. Which one is big? And cross the flower. Which one is small? Okay. Now next example is big one, elephant. Okay. And here small one, red. Okay. So which one is big one? Elephant is big? Yes. And what is the color of elephant? Always black. So we draw the elephant of color black. So use your crayon colors and color the picture of big one picture. Okay. And in next question is compare the pictures and color the small one. This question is color the big one and this question is color the small one. So here we write next question. Okay. Okay. Now tell me about which one is big and which one is small. On your notebook also big, small. So color the small one. Which one is small? This one is small. So color the small one and cross the big one. The next condition is color the small one. So this. And next picture is big ice cream and small toffee. So which one is big and which one is small? Which one is big? The condition is color the small one. So color the toffee and cross the big one. Color the toffee and cross the big one. See here. Okay. Big, small. Big, small. So small one, color the small one and cross the big one. Okay. This question is over. Now take out page number 5. This question. Okay. The concept of long and short. In your previous class, you see which one is long and which one is short. Okay. This one is long and this one is short. So according their example, according their size, according their height, we find out which one is long and which one is short. So this is the brush. This is the color brush and this is the pen. So which one is long and which one is short? This is long and this is short. Long, short. Okay. L stands for long and S stands for short. So see here, big one, small one. So this is long and this is short. Long, short. Okay. So next example is Okay, so there are two pens. Okay, this one is long one and this one is short. Long, short, long, short. So L stands for long and S stands for short. See your notebook. Long, short, long, short. Okay. Now your next example is leaf. Okay. So look here. This one is long leaf and this one is short. And on the board, long one and short one. Okay. This is long leaf and this is short. Long, short. Okay. Now next picture is snack. And so two snakes are there, 1 and 2. So which one is long and which one is short? Yeah, this is long image. So this one is long and this one is short. Here long and short. Okay. So this is your activity on notebook. Use pencil and eraser and write here L for long, S for short. Long, short, long, short, long, short. Okay, now take out page number 6. Take out page number 6. Color the object which one is long. Color the object which one is long. This is for your homework page. Okay, page number 6 is your homework page. So you color the image which one is long and color the image which one is short. Two questions are there. So you color the two objects, one long and one short. Okay, now take out your page number 7. Page number 7. Look here. This one is balloon. Balloon is very light in weight. Okay. And this one is dumbbell. Dumbbell are very heavy. You carry dumbbell? No. So this one is very heavy. But the balloons are very light in weight. So this one is light and this one is heavy. So balloon. Balloon is light and heavy? Light. And the dumbbell is heavy. So the first example is light, heavy according their weight. According their weight, balloon's weight is very light and the dumbbell weight is very heavy. So light and heavy. Okay, next is scooter. Scooter and bicycle. Scooter are very heavy and bicycle is very light in weight. So scooter is heavy and bicycle is light according their weight. Okay, next example is red chili. Red chili is light or heavy? Yes, red chili is very light. And the bottle guard, big one bottle guard, it is very heavy. So this one is light and this one is heavy. Next is elephant. Elephant is big. Oh, elephant is heavy or light? Yes, big also. Big one is also, but it is very heavy in weight. And frog is light in weight. So these are the heavy and light. Okay, take out your page number 8. Page number 8 exercise is page number 8. First picture is camera. Okay, camera and television. Which one is heavy and which one is light? Okay, so camera or heavy or light? Yes, this one is light in weight and this one is heavy in weight. So the condition is light and heavy. Look here, light and heavy. The question is tick the object that is heavy. So which one is heavy? This one. So tick the object. Simple. Okay. Now second question is bus. Okay. And the bicycle. Okay, bus is heavy in weight, so tick the heavy, and this one is light in weight, so cross the light one. Tick the heavy and cross the light. Okay, now next example is the question is tick the object that is light. Tick the object that is light. Here the question, which one heavy? Tick the heavy one. And the next question is tick the light one. So second question is tick the object that is light. Here one kite and one cricket bat. Okay, so look here, which one is heavy and which one is light? Question is tick the object that is light. So which one is light and which one is heavy? Kite is light in weight, so tick the light one and cross the heavy one. This is the first example. And second is this one is leaf and this one is log. So which one is heavier, which one is light? The log is very heavy and the leaf is light in weight. So tick the light one because the question is tick the light one. Tick the light one. So leaf is light in weight and the log is heavy in weight. So this question is over. Page number 8. Now take out page number 9. Page number 9 is tall and short. In your previous lecture you know which one is tall and which one is short. Yes, the cap is short and the pen is long, long and short. So you know about which one is long and which one is short. Look at the notebook. Giraffe and pig. So giraffe is tall or short? Tall. So and the pig is short according their height. Okay. Second example is okay. So tall tree is very tall and this is small plant. So this one is tall and this one is short. Here tall, short. Okay. Now next example is okay. Two lambs are there. Okay. Which one is tall and which one is short? This is heighted and this is short one. So tall and short. Okay. In your notebook also, this one is tall and this one is short. Tall and short. Here, this is you and this is your father. So your father is tall and you are short according their height. Okay, so the concept of tall and this is the concept of tall and short. Now take out page number 10. This is also your homework page. The question is color the tall picture. You know which one is tall and which one is short. So use your crayon colors and color the tall picture. Two jokers are there. So which one is tall and which one is short, you find out and color the tall picture. And the second question is color the short picture. So which one is tall and which one is short pencil? So you color the short pencil. Here we color the short pencil and here we color the tall joker. So page number 10 is also homework page. So two homeworks are there. Page number 10 and page number 6 also. Two pages are homework page. Okay. So your concepts are over. In your next class we take so many concepts. Okay. Bye bye.